Mini electric vehicles are revolutionizing city streets in 2026, bringing efficiency, style, and zero-emission travel to urban life. This top 15 countdown features the most innovative microcars, bike-car hybrids, and shape-shifting EVs designed for tight spaces, short commutes, and crowded traffic. From swappable batteries to smart AI systems and compact yet practical designs, each vehicle shows how urban mobility is evolving. Discover how these mini EVs are reshaping the way we move around cities today and tomorrow. VeMoo. The VeMoo is a futuristic mini electric vehicle created to bridge the space between a bicycle and a traditional car, offering a smarter solution for modern city commuting. Built in France, this compact three-wheel machine combines pedal power with electric assistance, delivering a smooth and energy-efficient ride while keeping the experience active and engaging. It can reach assisted speeds of up to 25 km per hour and offers a range of around 100 km with its integrated 460 watt-hour battery, making it practical for daily urban travel. One of its most innovative features is the tilting architecture that allows the vehicle to lean naturally into turns like a bicycle, improving stability and comfort. With a removable 55-litre front storage box, integrated lighting, USB connectivity, and a protective rain cover, it blends convenience with zero-emission mobility, highlighting the future of compact transportation in crowded cities. Wings Robin. The Wings Robin is an ultra-compact electric microcar built specifically for crowded city streets where space, efficiency, and affordability matter most. Designed as a two-seater quadricycle, it offers the footprint of a scooter while delivering the enclosed comfort and stability of a small car. Powered by a 5.6 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery and dual hub motors producing a combined 6 kilowatt, it can reach speeds of around 60 to 64 km per hour, making it suitable for daily urban commutes. The claimed range of up to 90 km per charge supports short-distance travel, and it can be charged using a standard household socket in roughly 5 hours. Built with a high-strength steel space frame and tested under quadricycle safety standards, it focuses on practical city mobility. With compact dimensions and accessible pricing, it reflects the growing shift toward affordable electric transport solutions in rapidly expanding urban environments. City Transformer CT2. The City Transformer CT2 is a groundbreaking mini electric vehicle engineered to solve one of the biggest challenges in modern cities: limited space. Designed as a two-seat microcar, it features an innovative transforming chassis that can change its width while driving, shifting between a narrow city mode of about 1 meter for tight traffic and parking, and a wider performance mode of roughly 1.3 meters for greater stability at higher speeds. Powered by dual rear electric motors producing around 15 kilowatt and supported by a 15 kilowatt-hour battery, it delivers an estimated range of up to 180 km per charge and can reach speeds close to 90 km per hour in its expanded configuration. Despite its compact footprint, it offers car-like comforts including air conditioning, advanced safety systems, airbags, and generous cargo capacity, highlighting a bold new direction for urban electric mobility. Acticycle. The Acticycle is an ultra-efficient urban micro-vehicle designed to combine the agility of a cargo bike with the comfort and stability of a small car. Developed by a French startup, this four-wheel electric assist vehicle focuses on lightweight construction and minimal energy consumption, reportedly weighing significantly less than traditional electric microcars. It operates using pedal assistance supported by electric power, delivering a natural riding experience while maintaining zero emissions during use. Depending on configuration, it can reach speeds of up to 45 km per hour and offers a typical range between 60 and 80 km per charge. Built with an aluminum frame, full suspension, and a protective polycarbonate windshield, it also provides practical functionality through a rear cargo area of around 170 liters. Designed to carry 2 adults or an adult with children, it reflects the growing evolution of micro-mobility towards smarter space-saving city transportation solutions. Yamaha Tricera Proto. The Yamaha Tricera Proto is a futuristic three-wheel electric concept designed to bring excitement and innovation to urban mobility. This open-top autocycle focuses on delivering a unique driving sensation rather than simply providing efficient transportation. One of its most striking features is an advanced three-wheel steering system that allows both the front wheels and the rear wheel to steer, significantly enhancing cornering ability and overall agility. This setup creates a stronger connection between the driver and the machine, offering a more engaging and responsive ride. The vehicle also incorporates a specially developed sound control system that shapes the electric motor's acoustic feedback, adding emotion and character to the driving experience. With its bold open cockpit design, side-by-side seating, and distinctive arched center frame, it presents a dramatic and modern appearance. The concept represents a fresh direction for compact electric vehicles in crowded cities. Strutt EV1. The Strutt EV1 is a next-generation smart personal mobility vehicle that blends artificial intelligence, robotics, and compact electric transport into a futuristic four-wheel platform. Unveiled as a breakthrough concept in micromobility, it focuses on creating seamless interaction between rider and machine through advanced sensing and responsive control systems. At its core is a 360-degree awareness setup that combines LiDAR, cameras, ultrasonic, and time-of-flight sensors to monitor surroundings in real time, supporting assisted steering, proactive braking, and obstacle avoidance in tight urban spaces. The vehicle uses a quad-drive architecture with 4 independent motors that dynamically distribute torque for improved balance and traction. Designed for short-distance travel, it reaches speeds of around 13 km per hour, carries up to 160 kilograms, and handles moderate slopes with stability. It also introduces autonomous-style features that allow it to navigate or follow its user, reflecting the rapid evolution of AI-powered micromobility. XEV YOYO. The XEV YOYO is an ultra-compact, fully electric microcar designed specifically for crowded city streets and short urban trips. With a tiny footprint and 2-seat layout, it combines practicality with extreme ease of parking, making it ideal for dense urban environments. The vehicle runs on a fully electric powertrain, producing zero tailpipe emissions, and can reach city speeds of around 80 km per hour. One of its standout features is compatibility with battery swap systems, allowing for quick energy replacement and minimizing downtime compared with conventional charging. The YOYO offers a range of approximately 150 km on a single charge, supporting daily commuting needs. Its minimalist interior focuses on simplicity and low operating costs, while the small size reduces environmental impact. Though not suitable for highways and with limited cargo space, it represents a smart, efficient, and sustainable solution for modern city mobility. Microlino 2.0. The Microlino 2.0 is a compact, fully electric city car designed for urban mobility, blending retro bubble car styling with modern EV technology. With a length of around 2.5 meters, it is extremely easy to maneuver and park in crowded streets. The vehicle accommodates 2 adults and offers multiple battery options, providing a range of up to approximately 230 kilometers depending on the version. It can reach top speeds of about 90 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for short city commutes rather than highways. A unique feature is its front opening door, which maximizes accessibility in tight parking spaces while adding to its classic aesthetic. Classified as a quadricycle in Europe, it benefits from lower running costs and simplified regulations. The Microlino 2.0 combines energy efficiency, compact design, and playful styling, representing a practical and stylish solution for everyday city transport and short urban trips. Silence S04. The Silence S04 is an ultra-compact electric microcar designed for efficient city mobility, combining nimble dimensions with advanced technology. Measuring just over 2 meters long and 1.27 meters wide, it easily navigates crowded streets and fits into tight parking spaces. The vehicle uses 2 removable 5.6 kilowatt-hour trolley-style batteries, allowing users to charge them indoors from a standard home socket without a dedicated EV charger. Powered by a 14 kilowatt motor with a 22 kilowatt peak output, it can reach speeds up to 90 kilometers per hour for the L7e model, while delivering a range of roughly 149 kilometers or up to 175 kilometers for the slower L6e version. Despite its small size, the S04 offers modern connectivity with a 7-inch TFT screen, smartphone app control, keyless access, and climate functions. Its combination of swappable batteries, compact design, and car-like features makes it a forward-looking solution for urban commuters seeking flexible, efficient, and practical micro-electric mobility. City Transformer CT1. The City Transformer CT1 is a revolutionary mini-electric vehicle designed to transform urban mobility by adapting its size to different city conditions. This 2-seat microcar features a unique shape-shifting chassis that can narrow to about 1 meter in city mode, making it easy to navigate traffic and fit into tight parking spaces. While in performance mode, it expands to roughly 1.4 meters for greater stability and comfort at speeds up to 90 kilometers per hour. The CT1 is built on a lightweight modular platform, weighs approximately 590 kilograms with its battery, and produces zero tailpipe emissions, providing an eco-friendly solution for crowded streets. Its ability to transform on the move offers a combination of motorcycle-like agility with car-like control, ideal for daily urban commuting. Debuting in 2021, with production expected around 2024, the CT1 showcases how adaptive, space-saving electric vehicles could reshape city travel in the near future. Tazzari Zeromax Cubo. The Tazzari Zeromax Cubo is an ultra-compact electric vehicle designed for urban transport and light commercial use, combining city-friendly agility with practical cargo capabilities. With dimensions of just 1.2 meters wide and 3.228 meters long, it navigates tight streets and fits easily into small parking spaces, making it ideal for dense urban environments. The vehicle is powered by an electric motor with a peak output of around 11.5 kilowatt, reaching speeds of up to 65 kilometers per h, perfect for city roads and low-speed urban corridors. Depending on the battery option, it offers a range of up to 312 kilometers on a single charge, while cargo capacity spans from 150 to 510 liters, supporting deliveries, light commercial tasks, or personal transport needs. Features like keyless entry, LED lighting, USB connectivity, and eco and sport driving modes enhance convenience. Available in pickup, van, or customizable naked versions, the Zeromax Cubo merges compact size with versatile urban functionality. Uniti One. The Uniti One is an ultra-compact, all-electric city car designed for efficient urban mobility, combining small dimensions with clever interior space. Measuring about 3.22 meters long and 1.71 meters wide, it fits 3 people with a central driving seat and 2 rear passengers, making it ideal for navigating narrow streets and tight parking spots. Its flexible interior allows cargo space to expand from roughly 155 liters to 760 liters, supporting errands or small loads. The vehicle offers battery options of 12 kilowatt-hour or 24 kilowatt-hour, providing a range of approximately 150 kilometers or up to 300 kilometers, and supports fast charging via a 50 kilowatt CCS charger. Powered by a rear-mounted electric motor producing around 50 kilowatt, it reaches top speeds near 120 kilometers per hour. Features like Android automotive infotainment, keyless entry, and optional advanced safety systems enhance the driving experience. Uniti One demonstrates how compact, efficient EVs can provide practical and sustainable solutions for daily city commuting. Honda NeuV. The Honda NeuV is a visionary mini-electric vehicle concept designed to redefine city mobility by blending compact EV design with artificial intelligence and futuristic urban functionality. Short for New Electric Urban Vehicle, it features the AI-driven emotion engine HANA, which adapts to the driver's preferences, moods, and routines, customizing music, climate, and routing to create a personal and interactive driving experience. The vehicle is designed for dual use. When not in active use, it can operate autonomously as a ride-sharing car, generating income for its owner. It also explores vehicle-to-grid energy trading, selling stored electricity back to the grid during peak demand. The NeuV's design includes a panoramic windshield, minimalist touch interface, and a compact electric skateboard stored for last-mile travel. This concept illustrates how micro-EVs of the future could integrate AI, autonomy, and energy solutions to create smarter, more connected urban transportation experiences. Eli ZERO. The Eli ZERO is a super compact electric microcar designed for efficient city travel and short daily trips. Classified as a light electric vehicle, it seats 2 passengers side by side and features a top speed of around 45 km per hour, ideal for navigating crowded streets. Its 8 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery provides a range of up to 100 km on a single charge, and charging can be done from a standard 230 volts or 110 volts outlet in about 2.5 to 5 hours, eliminating the need for specialized infrastructure. With a footprint of just 2.25 meters and a cargo capacity of approximately 160 liters, the Eli ZERO is highly maneuverable and practical for urban errands. Features such as regenerative braking, ergonomic seating, and supportive interiors enhance daily usability. This lightweight micro-EV offers an eco-friendly, space-saving solution for city commuting, combining efficiency, comfort, and simplicity to meet the needs of modern urban lifestyles. Triggo. The Triggo is a compact electric vehicle designed to revolutionize urban transport by combining car-like comfort with scooter-like agility. Its standout feature is a variable width chassis that expands to about 148 centimeters at higher speeds for stability and contracts to 86 centimeters in traffic or tight parking spots, enabling a 3.5 meters turning radius. Classified as a light quadricycle, it uses swappable batteries, delivering a range of roughly 90 to 100 kilometers per charge, while multiple electric motors provide efficient city driving. The tandem 1+1 seating layout places the passenger behind the driver, and a modern drive-by-wire system replaces traditional mechanical linkages, supporting potential autonomous or robo-taxi use. With a top speed of around 90 km per hour, the Triggo navigates open roads comfortably while slipping through congested streets. Its combination of small car safety, electric efficiency, and motorcycle-like maneuverability makes it a forward-thinking solution for reducing urban congestion and emissions while maximizing adaptability in dense city environments.